Take your rock tumbling to the next level with the complete line of tumbling accessories from National Geographic. Try our high-quality silicone carbide tumbling grid to smooth rough edges and add polish. Ceramic media, which helps to reduce breakage and distribute grit to rock surfaces. And gem foam, a brand new way to add dazzling shine to your polished rocks. Plus, an extensive line of rock refill packs with stone from around the world. Use the accessories separately or all together. You can let your creativity shine. Jewelry settings in the kit allow you to turn your gemstones into beautiful homemade jewelry. A detailed learning guide describes all the gemstone specimens that you'll add to your collection. And if you loved the Hobby Tumbler kit, you won't want to miss the other exciting rock tumbling kits and rock refill packs from National Geographic.